All right, those were my Rhodes dinner rolls that we just made a little divot into. Next, I'm gonna come in with my Philadelphia cheesecake no bake, and I have a little cookie scoop, and we're gonna add a little half scoop of our no bake cheesecake right into our Rhodes dinner rolls. Now I did let my dinner rolls rise on my countertop. I just have them on the sheet pan that they're gonna cook on, and I cover it with some saran wrap, and then they rise for about 3 to 4 hours and get nice and puffy and delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get that right on there. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna do a nice little spread of that so that it's a little bit more evenly distributed and not just in one little area. We do wanna make sure that it's in that divot. For this super easy dessert is only a few ingredients, and it is a crowd pleaser. Some of these little rolls came out in some funny shapes, but that's okay. Next thing we're gonna come in with is our lemon curd. Ooh, it is lemon season finally, and we're gonna pop that open. Ooh. And then I have another cookie scoop, and we're gonna do another half scoop right on this first row that we're doing. We don't wanna add too much because then it will just melt and get all over the place. Just a small half scoop should do it. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. I am so ready for spring, and these desserts are gonna take us there. Now for these ones, I wanted to mix it up, and I have my cherry preserves. Oh, okay. I'm getting stronger every day. And I just washed my cookie scoop, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the lemon curd, but with our cherry preserves. Ooh, I love lemon and I love cherry, and I just think that the lemon is so great for spring, the cherry is so great for summer, but you can make these year round. They're that delicious. And we're just adding our little half scoop onto this side of our little treats. All right, and these are not ready yet. I have my medium sized bowl here, and we're going to grab our yellow cake mix. And of course I had to use the Dolly one because that is my favorite cake mix, and we're using that whole box of yellow cake mix right in there. And then we're not following the box instructions for this. We're just gonna add 1 stick of softened butter into our cake mix. Yep, that's it, just 1 stick, because we are making something extra special to go with those Rhodes rolls. And we're gonna pop on our gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and mix in that 1 stick of butter with our cake mix until we feel like it is nice and crumbly and well combined. And it might not seem like enough butter, but trust me, just keep mixing it until it's fully combined, and we're gonna have some beautiful crumbles to put on top of our Rhodes dinner rolls. All right, we got this all nice and mixed, and I grabbed my spoon so that we can put some of these crumbles right on top of our delicious little sweet treats. And we don't need too much. I probably put too much on that first one, but honestly, they're just gonna turn all nice and crispy and delicious. So too much is never a problem with this one. It's also gonna kind of help keep all of those holding on. And I know this is messy right now, but once these bake up and we take them out of the oven and display them, they're gonna be absolutely beautiful. So I have my oven set to 350, and this is gonna bake in there for about 20 minutes. Oh my, I wish you guys could smell these. They smell absolutely insane. All right, we are ready to give these a try. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here, but I also want a cherry one. Ooh, okay. Put that right there, and then let me grab a cherry one. Oh, they smell delicious. Ooh, and you could even whip up a little icing with some milk and powdered sugar. But I think these are gonna be so good. Let's look at that bottom real quick.
Perfect.
Perfectly good. I'm so excited.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. These are insane. The savory roll with the sweetness all layered on top. Oh my gosh.